Every day you wake up from your bed, enter your bathroom, brush your teeth, have your bath, dress for the day, eat your breakfast, carry your work bag, and go off to work. Perhaps this is what you do repeatedly 6 days a week, and there is probably no possibility that such a routine would end anytime soon. And what's more tiring is the nature of the job and how much time you spend on it. Your life keeps being in one cycle because of your desperation for money. This is called the money trap. Hey friends, my name is Philip. If you like what I'm doing, please do not hesitate to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you've already done that, let's rock and roll. One reason you are still doing that overwhelming job is because you think you won't survive without it, and anytime you insist of quitting, your boss increases your salary to keep you. Or after planning to start your own business, then your boss decides to promote you so that you forget about your plans. These are examples of money trap. Some time ago, I was in this trap. Until I found my escape, I was unhappy. Being in this trap will overwhelm you, will make you not have your own time and live on other person's command. And sometimes it makes you feel you are in bondage. If you think there is no better way to overcome this, then your equation is wrong. If you want to get out of this trap, then stick with me to the end of this video. Wait, before I talk about how you can quickly get out of this trap, I think it is important to know what this trap is. This is money trap and a practical example of it. A money trap simply means when you have to put yourself in too much labor in order to earn more money. It is a trap that forces those diligent workers to work for 40 or 45 years before they retire. This trap is referred to as the money trap, or more widely as exchanging money for time. As an illustration, furthermore, a money trap is like working overtime to earn enough money to achieve your desire, and this might compromise your freedom. For example, if you were to work 8 hours today, you would get paid for those 8 hours you work, right? Now, let's say the next day you had to leave 2 hours early to take your child to the doctor. On that day, you would only get paid for 6 hours of work. Now you want to buy a car, but need at least 4 million naira for the down payment. How are you going to get the extra money? You would have to work overtime to save enough money for the down payment. You don't make money unless you are working. If you understand this illustration, then I'm so sure you don't want a life like that. The good news is there are possible chances for you to live the life you imagine. If you want that life, then stay with me to the end of this video. Before I talk about how you can escape the money trap, let me first talk about some possible causes. So, what causes money trap? Well, there are several reasons. One of the main causes is overspending. When you buy things you don't need or spend more money than you can afford, you can quickly get into debt. Another cause is not having a budget or not tracking your expenses. If you don't know where your money is going, it is easy to spend too much. High interest loan or credit card can also lead to money trap. Furthermore, not having a multiple income stream can cause a money trap. And finally, not having an emergency fund can cause you to go into debt when unexpected expenses comes up. So now that you know some possible causes, how can you eliminate the money trap? It is simple, just do the opposite. It seems very easy, but it requires high discipline. First, create a budget and track your expenses. See where your money is going and make sure you are not overspending. Next, cut back on unnecessary expenses like dining out or subscription service you don't use. Pay off high interest loan or credit card as quickly as possible. Build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Additionally, create multiple income streams. And finally, avoid impulse purchases and think carefully before buying something that's not in your budget. By following this step, you can avoid money trap and achieve financial freedom. If you want to become wealthy, retire early, and enjoy life to the fullest, you need to break free from this trap. Decide on your lifestyle now, not later. By taking into account your earning capacity, you will have a greater chance of being debt-free and relief of the accompanying financial strain if you do this. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself, but about being smart with your money and making conscious decisions. With time and discipline, you can break the cycle of debt and build a secure financial future. Hey friends, this video was carefully researched, scripted, filmed, and edited. If you got any value from it, please do not hesitate to click the subscribe button so that you'll be the first person to see any of my video whenever it is being posted in this channel, and that will encourage me to do more like this. Alright, stay cool and stay good till we meet in the next video. Bye bye.